So today we will learn about TweenService in Roblox Studio. Okay, it's the request from one of my viewers, one of my students also, is how to properly use TweenService. First thing first, of course, I will open the empty baseplate. What is TweenService? TweenService is a service to make a smooth animation. How? How to make a smooth animation by using a TweenService? It means you go from one point into the other point with a specific time, with a specific movements. Let's start. Let's start from the very beginning. So it means we have a part. Let's make a part. Let's make it a little bit interesting. Let's make it wedge. So wedge. After that, the wedge, I will make it a little bit bigger. This. Okay. Now, let's make the wedge has a destination. Maybe I can just simply insert a block. I'll just anchor the block and maybe change the color to, I don't know, maybe red. This, change the color. The wedge, change the color to brown. The red part, I'll change it to the name to finish or destination. Destination part. And the wedge, I name it to test part. There you go. The parts now are ready. Make it a little bit there. Then, now, both I need to anchor them. Choose both of them, anchor. Now, inside the server script service, you can insert a new script. Just click plus in the right side of the server script service, and you will insert a new script. Change the name to tween service script 1. First thing first that you need to do is you need to choose your parts. Local, this is how to make variables in the Roblox Studio, local test part. It means we choose the test part inside the workspace here. The parent is workspace. Parent workspace. So workspace dot test part. Now we choose the destination. Destination part. No space in the name of the variables. We put workspace dot destination part. After that, we choose the tween service. TS, any names. This is just a name, right? TS tween service. Game get service. What is get service? It means it asks or it imports a new features in the Roblox Studio. Here is tween service. After you choose the part that you want to move, after you choose the destination, if you want to make it move to the right side, now we need to make the goals, local goals. What is the goals? Goals, it means what do you want to make the part? Okay, there's a recommendation from the AI, but it's will be wrong. Okay, goals, open curly brackets, enter. You can use the AI before, but here we need to use no AI at all. Why? Because it will fry your brain. You need to make everything by itself. Why? So you understand how to do this. You cannot use AI in this learning process. Now, the goals. We want to make the position of the test part into destination part. Dot position. Why? Because it should be a vector or a position. Comma, not only position, we also can make the orientation. Maybe we make orientation change into vector3.new is just an initialization. Maybe we can make it rotate 0,3 360. So it will rotate full rotation, comma 0. So this is the X, the first number is X, the second number is Y axis, the third number is Z axis. What can we change in the TweenService? I'll just open TweenService documentation in Roblox Studio website. Here, TweenService. You can just simply search TweenService Roblox, TweenService Roblox Studio, and you will find the documentation. I'll close this. So what you can change is number, Boolean. What is number? Number is just a number. Boolean is true or false. C frame or the location, rectangles, color 3, udim is the dimension, 2-dimension. Vector 3 is 3-dimension, udim 2 is 2-dimensional. Enum item. So we can change the color. Let's make a color 3. So I will minimize this. I'll change, not only change the position slowly, not only change the orientation slowly, we will also change the color slowly. Color 3. Is it color or color 3? Let's see. Here. Oh, color 3. So color here, color 3 is, so put color only, because color 3 is the settings. Color equals color 3 dot new. Let's make it, let's choose the color. It will slowly turn into red. Now, after we set all of the goals that we want, now we set the tween info, local tween info 1. What is tween info? Is the settings of the twins, is how your animation will looks like. Tween info dot new. There are 5 settings. I enter here after tween info new. Okay, I will repeat. Maybe it will be too fast. Tween info dot new. Enter the time. How long you want to make the animation happens. Let's make it not too long. Let's make it 3 seconds. Comma. Enter after comma. But let's make dash after comma. Timer or animation duration. After that, easing style. Easing style is the movement. The movement. What is meant by the movement? There are several movements in the tween. I can scroll down in the documentation, in the TweenService documentation here. Let's see, is there any animations? Let's put enum easing style Roblox Studio. I want to show you. There you go. Easing style. There are several movements that you can use. Yeah. Linear, sine, quad, cubic. This is just a fancy name of a movement. This is a linear movement or a constant movement. This is a smooth movement. How this movement looks like? Usually there is an animation here. There is an animation, then you just need to see UI animation here. UI animations. This is the slow movements. Some kind of movement here. And animate text using options, style, cubic, linear. Okay, so there is no animation now. So you just need to imagine. Back then, I remember the Roblox website has the animation example, but now they don't have it. It means you need to use your imagination to imagine the movement. Elastic, it means the movement will be steady and then bouncy. Same with the bounce, it will be bouncy, go up. Elastic, it will be go down and up. I'll show you. I'll show you the elastic. So you know how, maybe the linear first. Enum dot easing style dot linear, comma. Enum dot easing style dot direction. Enum dot easing direction dot forward, or let's make it out. Let's see. In out is applied forward, backward. In is forward, out is reverse. You can see in the screen, there's a documentation here. Let's make it in out. After that, the repeat. I will zoom out so you can see everything. Repeat. How many times you want to make this animation repeat? 0, it means you don't want this to repeat. Let's make it 0. So we have the parts chosen, we have the goals, we have the settings. Now let's wait for several seconds before you do the animation. Wait 5 seconds maybe. After wait 5 seconds, then we choose, no, before the wait, we can make the tween itself. Local tween 1, but not tween info, tween movement 1 equals TS or the tween service colon create. The instance who you want to move is the test part. Comma, tween info is the tween info 1. Comma, the goals is the goals. After 5 seconds, then we make the tween movement 1 colon play. That's it. Let's try. You need to wait 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the orange will be slowly turned into red. Look at that. And the movement will be 360 degrees. Okay. Let's make it slower. That's 3 seconds, right? Let's make it not 3 seconds, but 1 second. No, it will be faster. Let's make it 10 seconds. So the movement will be slower. The longer the duration, the slower the movement. The faster the duration, the faster the movement. Yeah. See, it will rotate 360 degrees slowly. Yeah. This is the linear movement. Linear movement, okay? Let's make it not linear then. Uh, let's make it not linear. To make it not linear or not the same, let's make it elastic. And the time, let's make it 2 seconds. So this is where you play around in the movement. Yeah, look at that. It's like elastic, right? It's the movement is like going down and up again. Let's make it longer the time so you understand how it looks like. 5 seconds. Elastic. Let's see. Yeah, it's like bouncing like that elastic. See? So the movement can be boring or linear, or it can be bouncing like that. Okay. Now, here, if we want to make the animation forever, let's just change this to -1. The 0 change it to -1. So now the animation will repeat forever. Okay. Each 5 seconds. That it's going back there. Then again, see, it will be like that. Okay. Let's make another movement. This is your first challenge, your first example. I'll make a second example. I'll make a circle go, make a part big and small. Let's make a sphere. Make a sphere. The sphere here will be big and small forever. How? Change the name. Test part 2. And TweenService here, just right click and duplicate. Change the name to TweenService script 2. Open it, open the script. Then change the name to test part 2. Change the goals into size. Size equals, let's make it bigger, vector3.new 20, 20. What is the original size of the ball? I can click the test part 2 and find the size. Oh, 4, 4, 4. Here. So 20 is definitely bigger. And to make it better, I will make it fly. Click move up here, and anchor, of course. Let's get back to the TweenService script 2. After you make it flying here, you can go back to the script and size like this. The animation duration, everything is the same. Let's see how it looks like. . There you go. That's the good animation, right? It will be elastic like that. Uh, you can always change it to any other animation style. There you go. Can make it bigger, smaller. The colors also slowly change. The bottom one. Let's make it the color also changed. So comma color equals color3 dot new. Let's make it red. So it will slowly become red. And maybe let's make it more fun. Let's make it 100, no, 100, not 100, it's too much. 50, 50, 50. If I play, let's see, after 5 seconds, it will move. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now it's time for a challenge. Now you know the theory. You know how to make part bigger or smaller, and you know how to make the part move. I have two challenges for you. The first challenge is to make a door that automatically opened. Door that automatically open. Okay. Or sliding to the left. So imagine um, so you can combine an events with a sliding door. I will close the examples. Now I'll make a simple door. Try to make it by yourself first, okay? Try to make it by yourself. You can pause this video and try by yourself. If you're stuck, then you can continue watching, but I strongly encourage you to do it by yourself. Now, I just make the door. Let's make the door. I assume that you have tried this. And the door maybe is a little bit here. And the color's a little bit darker. And it's a wooden door, right? No. Yeah, it is a wooden door. Materials. But door cannot slide automatically. It can if you attach a motor for it, but it will be more realistic if it's a metal, right? So let's make it metal. Metal. Metal, but the color it means, let's make it here like this, golden. Golden. Mhm. Now, I'll simply, the door is done. Right click, duplicate. Let's duplicate the door. Why? Because I want to make a frame. Let's make the door bigger, slightly bigger. No. How to make it better? Hold control and scale. Oh, I'm wrong. Click the part. You can click undo if you make mistakes. Click the part. Hold shift and make it bigger. Ah, the control is correct. It's getting bigger. This is the frame. The frame is slightly bigger than the door. I'll make it slightly bigger again. Let's make this part have a hole. How? Just duplicate, make it in front of it, and make it go through to make a hole. Click the middle part. Go to model, negate. After you click negate, choose both of the part and union. There you go. You have a frame now. And the color, of course, I will change it to darker color. Oh, I cannot because in the properties, I need to check mark the user part color. There you go. Now I just plug in the door here. Ta-da! But there's no code yet. So we need to make the code. There you go. So I'll choose both of them and anchor. Now, let's rename the door. Click the door. Test part 3. Oops, that's test part 3. Now, after that, I make a duplicate. I duplicate the TweenService part 2. Duplicate. TweenService script 3. Then this door, I will open the TweenService script 3 and change the test part 3. And the goals here, we need to make it left, right? We need to make it left. And how to make it left? It means the position. Delete the goals, change the position. Where's the position? I want to make it a little bit left. How? Click home, click move it here. This is the goals. Try to find the position, copy the position, right click, copy. After you copy the position, put it back, put the door back, and go to script, the position, vector3, the new, paste the position. Yeah. And the easing style is not elastic, but linear. Maybe bounce, so the door looks like it's bounce. And the time maybe only 3 seconds. That's it. Let's try. There you go. See? It's going left. It's bouncing left. But it's repeat so many times, right? And it's a little bit weird. Let's make it linear instead of bounce. Linear. And this is 5 seconds. This is after 7 seconds. And not -1, but 0. Why? So it's only happened once. Let's see. You can always combine this with an event. Maybe when you click, it slide to the left. Yeah, the door slowly slide to the left. Ta-da! Is the first challenge. You make a door that is automatically slide to the left. Your next challenge, this is I won't help you with this. This is challenge 2. You need to make a lift that goes from here. I'll make a cylinder for you. Make like a coin. Make it glowing, of course. Materials, neon. Change the color to yellow. So when you jump into here, you will elevate it. You will be elevated to the let's make it lift. It will lift you up. Lift 1. Then I duplicate this. Right click, duplicate. Make it go up. Lift 2. Ta-da! You will go from here to there. Forever. So you make a lift. Yeah, you can make it by yourself. Spoiler, if you are stuck, you can continue watching. I will duplicate the TweenService part 3, duplicate, change it to script 4. Open it. Destination workspace.lift2. Test part lift 1. Position lift 2. Oh no. Destination part dot position. 5 seconds. This is -1. Done. This is done just like this. I forgot to anchor. Sorry about that. Stop. Anchor both of them. Anchor. Let's play. I'll jump here. Let's see. Am I will be lifted? Oh, no. Don't leave me now. Oh, let's try. Maybe it's too fast, right? Isn't it? It is too fast. Yeah, it is too fast. 5 is too fast. Let's make it 10 or 15. 15 seconds. It's 3 times slower. Yeah, I'll just follow this. This is the second challenge. Slowly go up. Okay. If you want to make it go down, it means you need to make two goals. Two goals, okay? -1. This is 0. Uh, yeah, I believe you can do that. The video is too long. If you think you are smart enough, you can make the lift go down and up. Now I won't give you any clue. You can make the lift go down and up, go down and up, go down. In my example, in my answer that I gave to you, it just go up, not go down. This is the hard challenge because I'm not giving you the answer. Yeah, that's it. See you next class. I'll stop the recording.